All right, let's see what we have for the queen. This should be a wooden box with a metal tab, which is what I'm seeing. Can wasn't tight at all, but it is totally full. Gotta hold on to the queen while I pull this out. Got lots of wax. Queen looks good. And she's walking around. There's a drone. There's a drone. So let's go ahead and get her pinched in here. Want to see the queen?
Cool.
I'm going to put her right in the middle.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's try some on the other side. I is like trying to scoot out of there,
Yeah.
which doesn't work that much.
I'm going to do a slow release. So I'm going to remove the cork on the sugar side. And I'm going to put that side up.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
They look much smaller than honeybees.
They do. They are honeybees.
Hey, Daddy. Let's try they're trying to get in there.
I'm just going to do a pinch on the top bar. And put this box on.
Hey, guys.
They're actually eating the spray that I put in with the oils. So they're already cleaning up the box. I'm going to put in more honeybee healthy sugar water.
I just be on you. Hey, Daddy, did
Yes.
you know there's a bee on you?
There's a bee on me.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to install the entire box, dumping bees on top of her. All right, they're gonna go everywhere. You ready, Grayson? You ready?
Yeah. Stand back a little bit. Hey, Daddy. Let's try not. A lot has been going out there and already getting the honey that they need. Not a lot, but a few all, which is just good.
Yes, that is very good.
Hey, Daddy, a bee was so. Daddy, there's a bee on you.
All right, hopefully
Daddy, there's a bee on me. Daddy, look. Look. Daddy, look. Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
That's all they need.
Daddy.
Yeah, but
That bee was on me. I stayed very
and
still.
we're gonna do that again.
Hey, Daddy.